Hello YouTubers, I'm Dylan, and in this drawing tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you all how to make your own picture of one of the greatest supervillains in the Marvel Universe, the Mad Titan Thanos. So, like this video, hit that subscribe button, get a nice piece of paper, get a good pencil, and let's draw. So the first thing you want is a circle shape that's about the size of a grapefruit or an apple. And draw very loose and light shapes in the beginning, so that way when you make mistakes, you can cover them up or allow them to fade out real easily when you're done drawing the character. So we got our circle. Then we're going to put in a center line so that we know where the middle of his face is going to be. So that's the center, and then we're going to put a line that goes slightly, not directly in the middle of the circle. We're going to put it here, about this bit low towards the circle. It's like it'll look like the bottom of an orange. So you got your cross that sets up where the eyes will be. Now we need to draw his chin line, his jaw. So we're going to start with these two straight lines here, and then at the bottom we're going to draw a big, because if you remember, Thanos he's almost as bulky as the Incredible Hulk. And which means you're going to draw these big lines. That sets up where your guidelines will be. And you can put another line here, and this will set up where his mouth will be. And then we can turn this into a bit of a rounded triangle, because this is going to be his neck. Because like I said, he's bulky like the Hulk. He's not really muscular like Iron Man, or he's not anything like them. And then right below, we're just going to draw a big curve, and that will set up where the bottom of his face ends. Okay, so we got that. Now, before we get to his eyes, we need to draw the headpiece he has. And in the middle, right above his eyes, he's got this almost square shape. And it's curved on the top and bottom slightly, and these angles, it's got two angled lines that go like that. Okay, and then at the top, it's kind of a crown. Like he's sitting on the throne of, I forget what planet he's from. So you're going to draw these two curves. These are where the eyes are going to start eventually. And then you're going to draw a curve that goes up and curves out like this. Kind of like Wolverine's or Hawkeye's mask. It's got these two crown pieces and these angled lines that go down like this. And then what you do is just darken them up once you got the right shapes in. So I'm going to darken those in. So I'm going to darken that in. Okay, and then what we do, we need to define the top side of his head, and then we need to curve it up, darken that up, and then he's got one last shape. It's almost like this shape, but it's kind of wider and bigger. And then you're going to draw another shape that's bigger, and it stops at the top of his head. And then you'll draw another shape like that on the inside, except it will be smaller. So I'll darken those in. And then we can draw his eyes. So don't start at the very edge of there, because we're going to put a detail there. So you're just going to draw these simple curved shapes, just like Iron Man's eyes, Captain America's mask eyes, or maybe Spider-Man's eyes, but they're smaller. And they're going to be these round, sort of triangular shapes. So just darken those in. Okay, next thing we got to do, we need to, let's do this next. On both sides, he's got these unique shapes. They're like sideways V's, and then they go all the way down, but not at the very tip of the jaw, not like that. So you're just going to darken in these shapes. Right? And then we'll do the same thing. If you want to lightly draw a line to make sure they're connected, that's okay. Just repeat the same process on this side. And do the same thing, but don't put it at the very tip of his jaw. Okay, and then you're going to repeat the same line on the other side, because these are trims, like trims on his helmet, I guess you could say. Yeah, it's kind of a helmet. It's probably it's probably the most iconic part of his body, besides the infamous Infinity Gauntlet that he wears. So I'm going to beef up these lines. So you got that. And then we are going to throw in the sides of his head. And they're going to be like these sort of like half ovals. And it's gonna, so you'll draw both of these curves on both sides. You can do the same thing with over here, because these are like side panels. All you gotta do is just draw these curved lines. Same thing over here. actually draw these two lines here. Okay, next thing we gotta do, we need to draw side lines on both sides. We need to define the rest of his jaw. We'll darken in his jaw, and then maybe the rest of his neck. Let's beef up the lower end. Make sure these sides curve out a bit. It'll really bulk up the neck. Okay, next thing we gotta do is to draw that thing he wears around his neck. And to make it look like it's wrapping around his neck, make sure there's a little bit of space between this line and this line. Make the curve go up above that line. It gives the effect that it's wrapping around his neck. And then just darken this up. Okay. All right. Next thing we got to do, we got to draw the rest of his face. So right about here, the same line where the points are, we're going to draw a bit of a V shape. Make two lines that go in the same direction as that. Block that in. Okay, and then you can draw a curved line up there. I think it's a shadow for his nose. Almost looks like a bear. And then his cheek lines that go like this. Okay, you can draw a little V there too. All right, last step for the rest of his face, most of it anyway, is to draw his mouth. He's not exactly a happy character, not unless he has the Infinity Gauntlet. We're going to draw this stretched out M. This will be his mouth. So we got that. Now, one of the most unique features of Thanos is that he has this kind of ribbed chin. These ribs on his chin. It's what gives him his alien appearance. And there's two on both sides, followed by one more on both sides, and then one in the middle. So I'm going to blacken those in, and then I'm going to darken in this line here. Right, and then there's a little shadow-like thing beneath that area. And then what you do is you draw some straight lines that go beneath it. And they all go like this. We make them a little longer. We also got to put them on the bottom of his chin. So let's repeat that process. Just like that. So that's, and then as a last little detail, we can shade in areas. Leave a spot on that edge. It creates a highlight. It means that when a light source is striking him, there will be a little bit of shine on the dark parts of his armor. You could maybe do the same thing over here. Do the same thing here. Shade in this part. And this one here. Okay. There's another, we also got to shade the top side of his head. Okay, then we only need to shade in one, keep one side, highlight on this side. And if you want, most of the time Thanos' eyes are black. He doesn't have white eyes. So I'm just gonna shade him anyway. And then as a last detail, you could lightly shade in some gray on in those areas where we put the highlights. There's kind of one here. Because he's like turned and the light's shining this way. Same thing over here. Then there's one last detail you can put. Draw this backwards S followed by another one. Creates like a curvy lightning bolt. And then color that in black. Creates a little highlight effect or a shadow shining effect on his armor piece of his neck. And that, my friends, is the Mad Titan of the Marvel Universe, the evil Thanos. Hope you had fun.